Assalamu alaikum and happy Thanksgiving. Yes, I am going to make a turkey today because my husband, he doesn't want to miss turkey this year क्योंकि हम लोग हमेशा get together करते हैं every year, like सारे इकट्ठे होते हैं घर में और we celebrate Thanksgiving, making turkey, eating Pakistani food and a lot of stuff. But 2020, I don't know, ये साल कब गुजरेगा? So I hope कि बाकी जो रह गए कुछ मंथ वो अच्छे से गुजर जाएं सबके लिए। तो खैर एनीवेज आज हम टर्की बनाएंगे और टर्की बनाने के लिए आपको टर्की चाहिए होती है। सो हियर वी गो, दिस इज़ आवर टर्की एंड इट्स हलाल ऑफ कोर्स। एंड अच्छा, इसको मैंने अभी ओपन नहीं किया, वी आर गोइंग टू ओपन हियर एंड देन मैं इसको वॉश करूँगी। इसके अंदर से कुछ जो चीज़ें हैं वो हमने रिमूव करनी है। सो माई हस्बैंड इज़ गोइंग टू हेल्प मी because he loved turkey, so he never missed this Thanksgiving party ever in his life. So इस साल जो है वो ज़ाहिर है पेंडेमिक की वजह से यहाँ पे कुछ वो ओंटारियो इलेक्ट्रॉनों में रूल्स उन्होंने बना दिए हैं ना, तो गेट टुगेदर नहीं हो सकता। So he was really sad and he asked me if I can do it, so मैं कर रही हूँ and he's smiling sitting next to me. you so it's usually किचन में आते नहीं है खाने के अलावा, लेकिन today's he's here to help me just because he loved turkey and he wanted to help me. So मैं बहुत ही बुरे तरीके से खोल रही हूँ इसको। So wow, look at this goodness. So this is my first time making this, so I hope कि मैं इसको ठीक से कर लूँ। तो here we are. So first I'm going to wash it and then I'll put it in my dish and then we'll start the next process. अच्छा जी, टर्की को मैंने वॉश कर लिया है। अब मैं इसको ठीक से ड्राई करूँगी क्योंकि इसका पानी हमें नहीं चाहिए कुछ भी। So and it has few parts inside which we need to remove and I'll show you how we're gonna do that. So here's a bird. Okay, I'll be removing few like extra things from here which we don't want. So first we need to remove this. It's that वो कलेजी चीज़ ये अच्छा इसको हम सेव करेंगे क्योंकि हमने ग्रेवी बनानी है, so I will be using this for gravy. It has a neck भी हम सेव करेंगे क्योंकि हमने ग्रेवी में बनानी है, तो we're gonna make this. What else we have here? So I'm going to just remove this. This is extra chunk क्योंकि it's an extra fat. I'll remove this. It's the whole thing. There we go. Thanks, honey. I'm gonna put this here.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's food also.
Yeah. You're gonna use it, right? Can you get me more paper?
Paper? How many do you want?
So our turkey is dries out. This is the inside, as you can see. It's okay. इसका जो ये पार्ट है ये मैं इसको छोड़ूंगी। आई लीव इट ऑन बिकॉज जो स्टफिंग हम करेंगे, स्टफिंग को जो है वो सील करने के लिए आई विल यूज़ दिस थिंग, राइट? सो इट्स हियर। सो अच्छा, दिस इज़ बटर एंड बटर आई एम गोइंग टू मैश इट अप। इट्स 1 cup butter unsalted and this will help turkey give it a good flavor, of course. और इसको मॉइस्चर भी रखेगा and it will give a beautiful color when it's done. So here we go. So room temperature पे है। We don't need to melt it, okay? We need this texture. Okay, here we go. Use a clean knife. इसको मैं उतार देना यहाँ से. अच्छा जी. Now we are going to add all the seasonings. So first we are going to add salt. ये वो है sea salt है. Add here. 3 teaspoon black pepper. Rosemary 2 teaspoon. मुझे sage जो है वो मुझे नहीं it's not available right now, but sage जो है जब मैं इसको bake करूँगी tomorrow because it's just मैं overnight इसको marinate करूँगी. So 1 teaspoon chili powder flakes. 1 teaspoon thyme. Okay, तो अब जो है इसमें जाएगा onion powder 1 teaspoon. Garlic powder 1 teaspoon. और cayenne pepper. So ये मैं sprinkle करूँगी. It's gonna give it a very nice flavor. It's going to be like about 1 teaspoon. Okay. It's gonna take a little while, but make sure you mix it very well. So थोड़ी सी effort जो है, it's gonna make your turkey delicious. So baking जो है वो मैं I'll show you tomorrow. I mean in my next video. This is just the marination. Okay, so this is done. It took me a good 5 minutes to mix it. 30 minutes to मेरी. So it's worth it because it's mixed properly. Everything is like, you know, इकट्ठी हो गई है. So I don't have to worry about कोई part जो है वो missing हो जाएगा. Alright, so now it's time to marinate the turkey. I'm going to put this aside. So now the best part of marination is to leave this, you know, we have to separate the skin.
Yeah, scissors or something. I'm gonna find something to cut.
You have to separate the skin. No, we're not cutting it. So I have to like make sure, you know, the skin is just separating, not, you know, separate. The skin part na jaye, you know what I mean, like that. We don't want to get any tears. Yeah. So make sure कि जितना दूर तक जा सकता है वो करें. Be gentle. Use your fingertips just to like a little separate the skin from the turkey. You're not going to peel it, you know. Okay. Make sure you wash your hands. Acha, now it's time to marinate. Yes. So I'm going to use my hands. Bismillah Rahman Rahim. I'm going to apply this all over. Yeah. See the marination? Wow. So go all the way back. Piche ki taraf. And marinate it properly. Don't miss any part. Let's see. gonna make everything nice. Look at that. Okay. So I'm going to apply all over. Do not miss any part. Look at that. You do see, honey?
Oh, I see a rib.
Yeah.
Ribs showing.
Ribs, yeah. Here we are. चलो जी, ये हो गया. और बटर भी मेरा जो स्पाइसेस वाला है वो ऑलमोस्ट ख़त्म हो गया है. So okay, turkey is marinated now. इसको जो मैं है फ्रिज में रखूँगी. ये ओवरनाइट जो है फ्रिज में रहेगा. And it's gonna be in the fridge for about how many hours? Like 12, almost 18 hours. तो 18 hours I think good enough इसको मैरिनेट होने के लिए. और उसके बाद जो है मैं इंशाल्लाह सुबह इसको कुक करूँगी. And stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and you don't miss any updates and any videos. And tomorrow is going to be a big day for me. I'm making turkey for the first time, and I will definitely show you. मैं अपने जो reviews हैं honest बताऊँगी, बल्कि मेरी family बताएगी कि how my turkey actually tastes. So yeah, that's all for today. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Now what to deal with the